You have to tell us it's impossible to implement or not. Because otherwise, the pronouncement of the President will not be felt immediately, which is needed by our people. The Department of Finance. Is there any update from last Thursday? Just say if you have one or not. Go ahead.
For the update, we're still awaiting for the instructions from the Office of the President with regards to the lifting of the excise tax exemption.
What does that mean? When is the effectivity? Isn't that today?
If i-release po ng Office of the President, the effectivity will be 1 to 2 days. Yung effectivity nung exemption ng excise tax. Right now po, wala pa pong directive sa amin. Hinihintay pa po namin.
So once for instance, it comes out today, the President makes an announcement, how is it going to be implemented?
It will be issued through an executive order, and then once the executive order is issued, we will be issuing the necessary memorandums through the Bureau of Customs para dun sa exemption ng excise tax.
So the long and short of it is the policy of the DOF in terms of implementation that the suspension will only apply to new inventory.
Opo, yung mga parating po na importation.
So yung mga nandito, hindi nyo na talaga balak isuspend ang implementation sa pump price?
Hindi na po it will be hard po with regards to admin feasibility yung pagbawi ng excise tax yung mga inventories na nandito na sa Pilipinas.
Hindi naman namin pinapabawi eh. Ang sinabi namin dyan is, you just give them credit for the amount that they have advanced. And that once the suspension is lifted, we can start applying that. Hindi ba kaya yun? You have an inventory coming from the BOC of the amount that they have paid. Diyan pa natin makikita yung mga gas companies na hindi nagbabayad ng excise tax, yung mga nagsusmuggle. Makikita natin yun.
We will consider that, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, you've been considering that for quite some time. I think we need a categorical answer. You have to tell us it's impossible to implement or not. Because otherwise, the pronouncement of the President will not be felt immediately, which is needed by our people. So anyway, we have the entire day today. We need a categorical answer coming from you in consultation with the BOC and the BIR relative to its immediate implementation. So when we say immediate, it's as soon as the President announces, the following day, we will reduce regular premium by 10 pesos, diesel by 6, kerosene by 450 and thereabouts.
Yes, Mr. Chair. We'll await for the directive of the Office of the President. If the exemption from excise tax will also cover those inventories already here in the Philippines.
Yeah, but what we're saying is we're going to be here the entire day. So many of my colleagues have taken the position that we want the President's decision, at least I'm sure he wants it to be implemented and felt by the public soonest. Kaagad. So, ang tanong namin parati dyan is, bigyan nyo kami ng categorical answer within the day kung bakit siya administratively not feasible.
We will do, Your Honor.
Okay, maraming salamat.